Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the motor in your Dyson SV17 vacuum cleaner can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it can be straightforward. Let's dive into the process step by step. Step 1. Gather your tools. First, ensure you have all necessary tools ready. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, pliers, a clean cloth for dust removal. Step 2. Prepare your workspace. Find a clean, well-lit area to work on your vacuum. Lay down a cloth to protect surfaces and keep screws organized. Step 3. Disassemble the vacuum. Start by unplugging your vacuum. Remove the dust bin and filter. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws holding the top cover in place. Carefully lift the cover off to expose the internal components. Step 4. Remove the old motor. Locate the motor, which is typically secured with several screws. Use the Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Gently disconnect any wiring harnesses attached to the motor. If you encounter stubborn screws, applying a bit of lubricant can help. Step 5. Clean the interior. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the inside of your vacuum. Use the cloth to wipe away dust and debris. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Step 6. Install the new motor. Take your new motor and carefully align it in place. Reconnect the wiring harnesses, ensuring they are securely attached. Once positioned, use the Torx screwdriver to resecure the screws that hold the motor in place. Step 7. Reassemble the vacuum. Replace the top cover, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Reinsert the filter and dust bin. Step 8. Test your vacuum. Plug in your vacuum and turn it on to test its functionality. Ensure everything is working smoothly. If you notice any issues, double-check the connections and screws. If you don't have the tools or prefer professional assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process convenient for you. Plus, you'll receive a quote before repair with no calls and no travel hassle. Step 9. Final cleanup. After testing, gather any remaining tools and clean your workspace. Make sure to store extra screws and tools properly for future use. By following these steps, you've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV17 vacuum cleaner, ensuring it's ready to keep your home clean. Regular maintenance and timely repairs like this can prolong the life of your vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.